I made my goal card to achieve 100 CR of the target. Quarter 4 for 31st March, I disbursed the 101 CR.
If you would like to have a similar success story, then just click on the link below and enter our academy. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Siddharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. What a success story today. Praveen Rai from Bihar, right now in Bangalore, more than 10 years of experience in banking industry, and he has crossed all his targets. He's working with a private sector bank, and from 15 CR of target, he crossed 100 CR goal in that particular target goal of 31st March 2022. So first of all, Praveen, congratulations. You have entered our Carnegie Club of Success. Why don't you introduce yourself to the audience, please? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And it's my pleasure to there in this platform. And that myself Praveen Kumar, and I'm basically from Bihar, and I'm in Bangalore almost 14 years, and into the banking industry, approx 10 years of experience in the banking industry, and currently working for one of the leading private bank in Bangalore. And my success story is earlier what happened that in my vertical where I'm working in SME vertical, and वहाँ पे क्या होता था earlier that I used to achieve the 15 to 20 CR of the quarterly target.
Right.
But after joining this course in TAZR, I joined the 3rd of Jan, and I made my goal card on 10th of January.
Right.
And that time itself, I got that clarity that if you think, then definitely you're going to achieve.
Right.
You have to believe it. So I made my goal card to achieve the 100 CR of the target in quarter 4. I focused only what I not focused how it's. So that time when I made goal card, I don't have the pipelines also how to achieve. So my major focus on the that only in that one. So after making the goal card, I made my pipeline, and I sanctioned the 125 CR of the volume, and I disbursed before 31st March. I disbursed the 101 CR. That is my one of the success stories.
Awesome.
And,
I think. So let me just get this context right. Earlier you used to do 15-20 CR, 15-20 CR target was there. But you entered the academy and you just said, this is what I want. I want to cross 100 CR as my disbursements. And you achieved 125 CRs of sanctions and 100 CR plus of disbursements, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's amazing. Yes. So wonderful. Congratulations for that. Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, for this, that definitely I'm going to thanks to the entire TAZR community, and does it to you also, as well as my office bosses, who is helping me to achieve this target, as well as my wife, definitely.
Of course.
The moral support. My daughter also. After the one more thing I want to share with you, that after the making the goal card, my daughter only suggests me to, Papa, do one thing, you save that entire whatever the goal you make, you save in your mobile screen. So that thing क्या होगा कि आपके मोबाइल में हमेशा आप देखते रहोगे वो चीज.
Right.
And I want to show this thing that what I saved still is there in my phone.
Yes, please.
So if you, I don't know if it's clear or not.
Yeah.
Is it written? I have to do more than 100 crore business.
Okay.
This is written by my daughter and she saved in my phone.
Okay.
So this is still there in my phone, and I want to convert this I have to achieve in a month.
Now the next goal is to convert this into a month now.
Yeah.
Amazing. So hold on, Praveen. I mean, this is really interesting that how your family, everyone, your team members, your colleagues supported you. And so when did you join our program, Praveen?
I joined the 3rd of Jan 2021.
3rd Jan 2021 में आपने ज्वाइन किया प्रोग्राम. और क्या आपने क्या सोचा कि चलो ये क्या हो रहा है, मैं 15-20 करोड़ का कर रहा हूँ, अभी सीधा 100 करोड़ आपने लिख दिया अपने गोल कार्ड पे, तो क्या आपको, what made you write 100 CR? I mean,
earlier what happened that earlier I used to sanction the cases, the 50, 60, 70, 75. I used to sanction the cases, but that unable to disburse that cases. Somehow कुछ ना कुछ negativity mind में होता था, पता नहीं होगा नहीं होगा, client लेगा नहीं लेगा, कुछ some obstacle are coming that point of time. Some negative thoughts are coming in my mind. Some of my peers, colleagues, they are telling यार नहीं होने वाला तेरे से, नहीं हो पाएगा ऐसा. So somehow after joining this course, I got no, if you think positive, if you think whatever you want in always in your mind, definitely going to achieve. So I made my goal. No, I have to achieve 100 CR, and after making this goal, I told to my regional head also, so I want to achieve 100 CR in this quarter. So he also morally supported to me. Yeah, definitely. Why not, Praveen? You definitely going to achieve the 100 CR. तो तुम्हें चाहिए कर सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है.
Right.
Then after the making the gold card, I focused on the pipelines and all. I converted and I did the sanction, and after that I did the disbursement also.
Brilliant. I think brilliant.
After the disbursement, I realized, yeah, definitely, if you think whatever you want, it will going to happen.
Amazing.
In the positive way. And
Amazing.
whatever the TSR community is teaching us, and you are whatever the contents you made, that definitely, if anyone is going to continue the whatever that you want with the correct mindset, definitely he's going to achieve that.
Right. So I think what you did was so important, and especially as a chartered accountant, as an MBA, we are always thinking about logic. Our left brain is always more powerful. Kaise hoga, how. We focus on the how, and this is the classic distinction which I want to reinstate, that when you focus on what you want, at that moment you should not focus on the how, and that's exactly what you did. First, you focused on your what, that this is what I want, and then things started to happen about the how part. That okay, this is the way the funnel started to build up, the context started to build up, and that's the way you got it. Brilliant, I think. And I think your daughter also gave you a wonderful idea about putting the photo of the gold card.
Yes, definitely.
So, Praveen, let me ask you. So, in our program, what is the difference which you found, which is the real reason why people's belief systems get altered? Is it the community? Is it the mastermind call every Friday for lifetime support? What is the difference which you find, sir?
See, I different find some other courses. Earlier, मैंने और भी courses join किए थे prior to joining this. But what I find there, वहाँ पे क्या होता था? You read out the contents and the people give the PPT or they give whatever the folders and all. You go through and do it. And both होता था, they will give any classes and like that. But here, what I feel, this is in the TSR. Really, if you can join that community, what is in our Telegram group, there's a different kind of mindset are there in the group. People are having the same whatever the people are looking for. Right. And after the joiner TSR, I find out that in the contents also, whatever you're doing the mastermind calls every Fridays, some success stories is coming, something. If you want whatever you want, you are getting in this mastermind or whatever the contents is there. So that I feel the difference from the other courses.
Wonderful.
And here the hand holding, I can say that if you want anything, if you stuck anywhere, you call directly anyone. Ravi sir is there, and I have spoken with the Purvi Dalal.
Purvi ma'am. Wow.
I remember I have spoken with her in the month of February. At that time I was stuck in my goal card. How is going to happen? I have spoken with her. She told, no, you do one thing, Praveen. You start from again. Start from when you started. From then again you start from the day one. So I started again day one. I did my whatever the things are there. I didn't do. So whatever you want, if you are stuck anywhere, people are there to support. People are there to motivate. People are there to whatever you want to achieve. People are there to handle the things.
And मैं अपने आप को बहुत blessed समझता हूँ, प्रवीण जी, that these people they were, I cannot call them just participants, but yes, एक बार participants ही थे, लेकिन उनको इतना मिला academy में कि वो अभी नए participants को support कर रहे हैं. तो really this community is something which is really a great thing in our academy. So प्रवीण जी, अभी जैसे आपकी belief system अभी change हो गई, यार मैंने 100 crores का टारगेट रखा था और मैंने अचीव किया, धांसू टारगेट रखा था, 6 times मैंने टारगेट रखा, अचीव कर दिया. तो अभी व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट फॉर यू? अभी नेक्स्ट लेवल आपको कहाँ पहुंचना है? आई मीन व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट गोल फॉर यू?
My next goal for my professional, I can say that मुझे within a month 100 CR करना है. That is my next goal, and that one I want to achieve in the Q3. In Q4, Q1 is not possible. I know there's lockdown, unable to connect with the clients, and unable to go and meet. But I start my pipelines and all. I working my pipelines, which I want to achieve in the Q3, either in the October, November, December. Before 31st December, I have to achieve.
Awesome.
In any 1 month, not in the quarter. In 1 month, I have to achieve that.
In 1 month now, yeah. Now it's a stretch goal. Now you know it can happen. Because you believe in that, and your mindset, you got that momentum now that in 1 month now you're going to achieve 100 CR in your disbursements. Amazing. That's the confidence, Praveen. Zabardast. So, Praveen ji, हमारे audience जो देख रहे होंगे ये आपका interview, and they would be thinking that one more online program. पता है हमें, मैंने लॉकडाउन में इतने प्रोग्राम्स किए, इतने वीडियोस देखे होंगे, घर पे कुछ होता नहीं है यार. व्हाट इज सो स्पेशल अबाउट दिस एकेडमी ऑफ थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच एकेडमी? इसमें क्या स्पेशल है? मैं प्रोग्राम करूं कि ना करूं? व्हाट वुड बी योर एडवाइस टू देम? व्हाट वुड बी योर एडवाइस टू देम?
या उनके लिए एक ही एडवाइस है that you can join the TACR, that Think and Grow Rich Academy. If you see the compared to other courses, you cannot get the handholds what you want. आप ज्वाइन करने को ज्वाइन कर ले तो, लेकिन आफ्टर दैट क्या होता है, जो आपको चाहिए होता है वहाँ मिलता नहीं. यू गेट द लाइक ट्यूशन क्लासेस चलते हैं, यू कैन गेट द काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट्स, बट यहाँ पे दैट इन दिस एकेडमी दैट पीपल आर हैंड होल्डिंग द थिंग्स. इफ यू आर स्टक एनीवेयर, you can directly approach anyone, and people are there to support. There's thousands of people are there in the group, and people are there to support. And I don't think that you that going to connect anyone going to deny. So that is one part, and that if you have the belief system to achieve whatever your goals and targets, whatever that thing you want in life, definitely after joining this course, completely your mindset is also going to change. So
Awesome.
that thing
Awesome.
I want to.
Great. Thank you so much, Praveen ji. Thank you for your kind words. Finally, Praveen ji, कुछ final words before we close this interview. कुछ final words हमारे audience के लिए, something which you want to share. Anything. I mean, it's an open question. Anything which you want to share, something like that.
Yeah. Final thing I want to say that believe yourself, and whatever your goals are there, think positive, and आपके साथ जो रहते हैं that should connect with the positive vibrant people. That thing I want to say. That's
Amazing, amazing. Congratulations, Praveen ji. Thank you for your time. And this is a super success story because in 3 months, Jan you started and March quarter ending, you crossed that particular target. I'm so happy for you. And I think at this age, when you change your belief systems, and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. So thank you once again. You have officially entered our Carnegie Club of Success. And in this next Friday Mastermind call, we will welcome you and we'll welcome you officially in the Telegram group also. Thank you for your time. And I'm always there with you for lifetime. This is not a duration-based program, 21 days or 3 months or 90 days. It's a lifetime support system which we give you. So thank you once again, Praveen ji, for your time. This is Mr. Praveen Rai, a banker for 14 years experience. And with a private sector bank, a well-known private sector bank in Bangalore, and he achieved that. He kept a target. He never focused on the how. He focused on what he wanted, and 6 times growth. And he crossed that target at a disbursement of more than 125 crores for this March 2021. This is amazing success story. So, if you would like to have a similar success story like Praveen, then just click on the link below and enter our academy, and we will coach you how to truly think and grow rich. Like our channel, subscribe to our channel, share Praveen Rai's success story, because once you share the success, you are already on the path of success. Thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you so much, Praveen, once again, and wish you a grand success in the future. Thank you, sir. Thank you.